Hello, welcome to the video. In this video we will discuss how we can download and install VS Code on Windows 11 operating system. So first of all, open your web browser, type Visual Studio Code, then press enter. Looking into the search results, click on this link which is from code.visualstudio.com. The page is open. Now this is the official website for Visual Studio Code. Now on the top right you can see a download link. Also in the middle of the page you can see download for Windows. Click on this link. It will start downloading the executable file for VS Code. Now wait for the download to complete. Yes, after the download is complete, open the file and double click on the executable file. Now the VS Code installation setup has been started. You can read the license agreement here. Accept the agreement. Next. Now select the destination of installation. If you don't have any specific reason, leave it as default. Click next. Select start menu folder. This will create a start menu folder for the Visual Studio Code. We can leave it as default. Click next. So select additional tasks. We can select opt for create a desktop icon. Also, if you need to create associations like add open with code action to Windows Explorer file context menu and add option with code action to Windows Explorer directory context menu, we can select both of these. Also we can opt for add to path, which means VS Code executable will be added to the system environment variable so that we can launch VS Code from the terminal easily. Click next. Now press install. Setup is preparing to install. Now wait for a few seconds until the installation is complete. So the installation is complete, and leaving this checkbox launch Visual Studio Code will automatically launch VS Code after the installation is complete. So click finish. Now it will launch the Visual Studio Code. VS Code will show these options when it opens for the first time. First of all, it gives option to choose a theme. Default theme here is dark model. Some more themes are listed here. You can select between them. For example, light modern, dark high contrast, light high contrast, but I will leave dark model as my theme here. You can select much more settings like rich support for all your languages, sync settings across devices, unlock productivity with command line palette kind of settings from here. After selecting all the settings you need, you can start working with Visual Studio Code. Now let's close this VS Code window. I will show you another way to access VS Code. For that, from the search menu, type VS Code. Here in the start menu we can see Visual Studio Code. Click on that. It will open Visual Studio Code. we can also launch VS Code from the command line interface. So let's close this for now. Type cmd here, open the command line. The command line, type code, press enter. Now it launches VS Code. So that's all about the video. Thank you for watching the video. If you find it useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more similar videos.